Today we are here for graduation ceremony. When we normally have graduation, we do not expect our audience to be silent. Graduation day also? I don't believe. Graduation day also? Graduation. We got graduation day also? We do. The board and staff, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, and they answer? We do. It shouldn't be a state of somber, a state of wondering, a state of dismay or discouragement. No, it shouldn't be so. It should be a moment of fun and laughter, a moment of joy, because about 46 Rwandans are about to storm the universe for a greener pasture. I've just been cautioned. They say talk to you. Alright. And then me people we know very well for the benefit of you all. And just caution me say talk to you. So we did also today for Ladida. We're in some salon TTM. Salon they didn't. Then I get their license today. Their license for no work. Now the world. So the moment of joy. Now make with graduation topic. Over share today. Now graduates today. Entrepreneurs tomorrow. Let's share together. Graduates today. I don't know if you find. Graduates today. Entrepreneurs. I don't know if you find. Graduates today. Entrepreneurs tomorrow. That's the topic. So the all day, what we have about today, now this short topic. Graduates today, entrepreneurs tomorrow. When are graduates? A graduate, somebody don't struggle. A year, it can be 2 years or 3 years. A get and a standby, forget a certificate. For go out and work. And then call graduates. It can be for degree, it can be for certificates, it can be for diploma. Today, they are graduates. Dear graduates, congratulations. Dear graduates, I say congratulations. Today, you are graduates. Tomorrow, you will be entrepreneurs. Who are an entrepreneur, by the way? Entrepreneur can be chief executive officer. Entrepreneur can be business manager. Entrepreneur can be promoter. Entrepreneur can be industrialist. Entrepreneur can be an officer in charge. Let me get this business. Then find the here also. Now the students today, they graduate from the staff. They go to a master for their business them. One for congratulate and tell all them proud parents and thank you for their efforts, their money when on spend, their time, their counseling, even for the board and staff them for power, for the teach, when I teach in that. Today, we are about for graduates, for go to master, for when your business is there. Now, after today, we are going to be different people there. Now, two, we learn that success it doesn't ever happen until something succeeds. Now, also two, we learn that success is a good relation, but failure now often. Now, no one forgot near failure. Today, we sister and thank you for this proud achievement. What they make today, they will be fine people in cosmetology, hairdressing. They're going to be fine people in tailoring, fashioning. They're going to be fine people in hotel and food management. They're going to be fine people in secretariat and commercial studies. Congratulations once more. Even after the congratulations here, you are going to meet up enemy there along the line. And I'm going to share for telling you that you are going to meet up enemy there. Put out there, other enemy also. No, yes. And not necessarily be waterman. But put out there, other enemy also. And I have to be careful. Even as they go at the wall, that enemy there, where you are going to meet. Number one enemy, we're going to be careful of. Now the enemy of laziness. The enemy of laziness. Number one enemy, the enemy of laziness. Now that you don't get a paper, you're going to feel relaxed. The time for government job, another time again, another paper. Laziness. Now big enemy. We're going to kill his vision. It's just one step, you don't get a certificate. After move on, relax, you need a friend job again. After move on, relax, you don't get money again for establish your business. Laziness. You can make it just straight one side. Along the line, before you know, people that we don't graduate before, they will come, they will overtake you. Number two, enemy, procrastination. Procrastination. Now big enemy. What's that procrastination? For postpone. You don't get an opportunity. You fresh, you might work. Move on. What if I will sit the once again? Move on. I forgot advance for further paper. I don't wait first. You should come and send the money first. Come and get the money first. You further. Procrastination. Now big enemy, we're going to meet along the line. There is no need for procrastinate. Now big enemy, when I eat people time today, along the line, they share for further. Because people there, when I'm ahead of, they don't beat their time. Procrastination. Number three, time mismanagement. How do you manage your time? Time mismanagement. How do you manage your time? Do you manage your time well? After this year, 2021, what next? What else? You go venture into. Number four, I go for my car rapidly. That we our next enemy along the line. Now misplaced priority. Priority misplaced. What's the qualification? Tailoring or your dressing. That's the profession. It qualifying for every technocrats. You get opportunity for jump on and employ other people them when you gonna be master to them. But in their field, when you don't get sense by, you don't get certificate farm, you jump to another field when not profitable. That can misplace priority. Another enemy along the line, where you gonna meet? Now low self-esteem. Low self-esteem. Let me shock you. There is no nation we're gonna develop without the middleman power. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? There is no nation we're gonna develop without the contribution of the middleman power. Forget our grammar school system of education. What kind of grammar school? 6 words, 5 words, power, forget that. When you don't get down, you discourage, you feel bad. No! Today, the US have been privileged to lead there a little. The UK have also been privileged to lead there a little. I see the contribution of the middleman power. You cannot, no way. You cannot. So forget about the low self-esteem. Say no, me I don't know the key. Who's that the people that talk? I don't from mix say. I don't from like no. That's low self-esteem. It shouldn't be that. That's how the quality gets. you get opportunity for employing many people. With this certificate, you get opportunity to master a young field. Hope you enter a shop. Hope you catch a shop. If you don't know, you live there a week as a trainer. You can never satisfy if you don't taste what we are doing called sunshine. We are learning about sunshine. Sunshine don't become a legendary name. When an NGO or a government of my local, if you don't know, you don't get 3 days if you don't taste a food called sunshine. Sunshine with no intention of sit down. You don't go to school. You don't go to school alive. Sunshine. Very beautiful one. But you don't have privilege like you for go to school. But I'm telling you, it starts small like Ukrimafa. Today, go to Bensandamu Street in Korodi Street. Sunshine, you don't get a standardized restaurants, English food, African dishes. Sunshine, they give 2 cows for the day, all the long. Sunshine in food, homes from far and near, they can never satisfy if they don't taste sunshine. That is it. If you get low self-esteem, say, Amy, I don't want food, now move. Today, not to all manager, not to all executive, get strong bank account like sunshine. So you see, forget about the low self-esteem. No! You are very important because your contribution to the social economy of this state, now henceforth, you're going to be very, very great. Ladies and fellow graduates, beware of low self-esteem. No lost confidence. Say, hey, me not go to university. No! You're a champion that you feel. You're a champion that you area of study. Therefore, forget about some low self-esteem. Number 6, indiscipline and frivolity. Indiscipline. Forget about anything called indiscipline. None of them in master that you feel. You ever put on the best professional life. Number 7, distraction. Somebody will distract you. Now you are master that you feel. Or divert you, or diversion. Many young guys today, I can shame or call the name, commercial sex workers. A professional like you now. Now you are professional. Somebody can say, university type of enter. Who's the money about that? Divert your vision, forgot to that area they call commercial sex worker. That should not be. In any case, your portion. Because now today, you're a professional. Number 7, and number 8, we have an evil association. None of you are professionals. Forget about any association when they bring glory to a field of study or to a country. Forget it. Be it smoking, drinking, club life. That's an evil association. Forget it. Number 9, complacency. Not sit on your ass. Say no, I don't follow again. Complacency is a very bad spirit. Because you don't like the power today or certificate, say no way, I'm okay, I'm good to go. No way! You shouldn't be complacent. Carry on. Even if you establish your business, you set up shop, you are dressing saloon. Press on, press on. Continue for that more papers. Don't be complacent with just one certificate. Number 10, excuses. I want to do this thing so. I want the money. Don't excuse your daughter. As long as you get the willpower, the way go there. Number 12, satanic manipulation. Many of you come on upline. When people are not happy. Now they don't see that you whoop, you might have. You know, like, hey, the moment they see a picture, their eyes will begin to well. The next thing they think of manipulation. I'm going to begin block your future. I'm going to begin set you. You see, all these are things for also for fight against. Of course, you swear. Some people, because they're picking them on the neighborhood, not got a privilege for the certificate, they will begin to put cost by you. Of course, you know they blame my family. If you don't stand for reject, if you don't stand for resist, then because it's also, you're surprised that you will get better, you will learn, but the actual benefit, you don't get them. That will not be your portion. Number 14, Enoch. Amy, I don't know this paper. But not going to come from that job. If you're a very good religious person, Christian, or any faith, what you believe in, stand and pray against Enoch, then you come back now. That it shouldn't be your portion. And lastly, fear. Fear of the future. Now, a very bad spirit. Fear. Fear of the future. Now that you don't get this paper, what is the fear now for venture? What is the panic now for venture? Say, I want to go tell one machine for so. Make I really put the profession into practice. Practical. When I read this money, fear. No way. Write circular letter to people in the community where the lives matter. That none of the this paper, I want to establish my own business. Forget about fear. Explore the opportunity to come because you get the willpower. God Almighty must make a way.